learn how to graph the linear equation, y equals negative x. Let's start by writing our equation. To graph this equation, we'll follow 3 steps. First, we'll create a table of values by choosing x values and finding their corresponding y values. Then, we'll plot these points on a coordinate plane. Finally, we'll connect these points with a straight line. Let's start with our table. Let's fill in our table by choosing some x values and calculating their corresponding y values. Remember, for each x value, we multiply it by -1 to get the y value. When x is -2, y is +2. When x is -1, y is +1. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is -1. And when x is 2, y is -2. Now that we have our points, let's create a coordinate plane and plot them. We'll make our axes go from -3 to +3 on both x and y. Let's plot each point from our table. First, the point -2, 2, next -1, 1, then 0, 0, 1, -1, and finally 2, -2. Now that we have all our points plotted, we can see they form a straight line. Let's connect these points. Let's look at some important characteristics of this line. The slope of this line is -1, which means for every unit we move, right, we go down 1 unit. The line passes through the origin at the point 0, 0. And notice how the line is symmetric about the origin. If we rotate the line 180 degrees around the origin, it maps onto itself. To summarize, we've graphed y equals -x by creating a table of values, plotting the points, and connecting them with a straight line. We also observed that this line has a slope of -1 and passes through the origin,